Want people to be nice to you, then don't do bad things to them. Let me show you why this rule is so important. Imagine you are at school or work. Someone makes a mistake and you laugh at them or say mean things. How would you feel if the roles were reversed? Not good, right? This is why we follow the rule. Don't do to others what you don't want done to you. This rule teaches respect. It says, before you act, think, would I like this done to me? If the answer is no, don't do it. It helps people get along and prevents fights or sadness. Think about borrowing things. If you wouldn't like someone to take your phone without asking, don't take theirs. Simple. Small acts make a difference in life. This rule is in almost every culture and religion because it works. Treating others well makes life peaceful and help you build trust. If you follow it, people will respect and like you. What is the one thing you can do today to treat others better? Can you try it right now? Comment down below.